ABS engineering material whole body injection molding. Large capacity rechargeable battery 5200 mAh lipo battery. Double motor. With the boat large load design, it can load about 1.5 kilograms. It can remote about 500 meters distance without barrier. Waterproof grass. Double motor design with the waterproof cover. 2 silo design allows free control of spotting. Each bait can be opened separately. The night light adopts strong blue light design to identify the direction in the night flight. Dedicated digital automatic frequency modulation device. Strong wind resistance and endurance.